Hey, hi, this is Timber with Gem State Home Inspections. One thing that we always try to do is go and turn all the fans on, the dryer duct, and find where that exit is. Here we have a 100-year-old house, which you can't see very well, but it terminates right in the crawl space. Can you see that? Obviously this needs to be vented out, but that's a pretty easy catch. Sometimes they're a little more tricky. I've had new constructions where they're dropped into crawl space or one time in a wall. But that's just what we do here at Gem State Home Inspections, looking for a dryer duct vented to the exterior.